Fermented foods help balance gut flora, support digestion, and boost immunity. Ingredients: 1 red onion, 1 cup of water, half cup of white wine vinegar, teaspoon salt, teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon red pepper flakes. First, thinly sliced red onion, then place the onions in an airtight jar. If they don't fit, press them down firmly. Next, add the ingredients. There's no reason to cook up a brine on the stove. You simply add water, vinegar, sea salt, sugar, and chili flakes. You see how it's all on the top? Not a problem. We just gotta get the last bit of water. Let me put that last bit of water in there. And these will be ready in 30 minutes. Okay, then I just take it and I'm just gonna go like this. So now the water, the vinegar, the sea salt, the organic sugar is all combining, the chili flakes. And then you just pop it in your fridge or even leave it on your counter for 30 minutes and it'll be ready. You can leave these in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks and they are delicious. So we'll let them sit for 30 minutes and we'll check them out in 30 minutes. So it has been 30 minutes. I've had the onions in here with water, vinegar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. Let's see. It smells good. The longer they sit in the water, they will definitely taste better. So if you want to leave them in overnight, that's fine. But here you go, my simple pickled red onions. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you share, save, like, and enjoy. So I have my bestie here, Nadine Meehan. What are you gonna do? You're gonna taste this?
I'm so excited, yeah.
All right, she's excited to try it. Let's see how it comes out. You tell me. I think dig in there and get one from the bottom.
Oh,
Good?
it's really good. It's crunchy and sweet, but it doesn't have that tanginess. It's really good.
Listen, all I know is Martha Stewart says if you pickle the onions, you won't get the bad breath, so I'm going with that.